lab desks. Your lab desk can hold 2 students, okay? And no sitting on laps. Sorry. Matthew's like, sit on my lap. So, no sitting on laps. So, each table can hold 2 students, but in order to hold 2 students, you have to sit away from each other. Okay? Similarly, each orbital can hold 2 electrons, but in order to do that, those electrons have to be separated from each other somehow. And we'll talk about how they do that on Thursday. Okay. So each orbital holds 2. Now, level 1 has 2 electrons. How many orbitals can it hold? 1. Each orbital holds 2 electrons. Level 1 can hold 2 electrons. Level 1 holds 1 orbital. Level 2 can hold how many electrons?
4.
How many electrons?
8.
8. Each orbital holds 2, so how many orbitals in level 2? 4. See how this is working? Now, level 3 has 18 electrons. Each orbital holds how many electrons? 2. So how many orbitals are in level 3? 9. And those orbitals are then separated into S, P, and D. The simplest orbital is called S. It's a sphere. The simplest orbital type is called S. It's a sphere, and it can hold 2 electrons. Just 2. Good. No more, no less. Bison's like, but what about me? I'm here because I'm the 3rd person. Sorry, Bison, you're violating the laws of quantum mechanics. Wow, that was a hardcore response. Way to play along. Okay, so the S orbital is a sphere. I don't know if it's called S for sphere, but that's basically it. The sphere is the simplest object, the simplest shape in the known universe. Okay, it's just a circle in 3 dimensions. So, and if you move a sphere in any direction, it stays a sphere. So the simplest orbital type is an S. And it has only one shape because it doesn't matter how you rotate a sphere, it stays a sphere. It's a sphere. It's a sphere. It's a sphere. It's a sphere. It doesn't matter how you rotate a sphere, it stays a sphere. And since a sphere can only hold, since an S orbital can only hold 2 electrons, we say this is S2. We don't say S squared, we just say S2. Meaning an S can hold a maximum of 2 electrons. Okay. Make sense? Okay. This is where we ended in period 2, so I'm comfortable ending here today. And tomorrow we have a lab. If you wear long hair, you better have a scrunch. Scrunch, because there's going to be open flames.